Have you ever had a soldering iron that just refuses to hold solder? Watch this. The solder melts, but it won't stick to the tip at all. Looks useless, right? But what if I told you this old soldering iron could work like it's brand new, using nothing more than some scrap copper wire? Stay until the end because the final result surprised even me. And before we start, let me know in the comments, where are you watching from? Which country are you in? I love seeing how far these DIY projects travel around the world. Let's build a brand new soldering tip from materials most people throw away. First, grab a piece of thick scrap copper wire. You can find these in old electrical cables, damaged appliances, or other scrap electronics. Using a pair of pliers, cut the copper wire into 4 equal pieces. Try to make them the same length so they'll fit together neatly. Next, carefully remove the insulation with a utility knife or cutter. Take your time here. A clean copper surface will give much better results later. Once all 4 pieces are stripped, line them up side by side. At this point, it may not look like much, but in a few minutes, these scrap wires are going to become a powerful soldering tip. Now grab a thin scrap copper wire. We're going to use it like a tie. Wrap it tightly around the 4 thick copper wires. Start near the bottom, then add another wrap around the middle. And finally, one more near the top. Pull each wrap as tight as possible so the 4 wires stay together as one solid piece. The tighter the bundle, the stronger and more stable your finished tip will be. Already, you can see it beginning to take shape. Now grab a 12-volt DC connector. Connect one wire to the positive pin. Then connect another wire to the negative pin. Attach the negative wire to the bundle of 4 linked copper wires. Next, connect the positive wire to a short piece of soldering wire. This setup will help remove oxidation from the copper in the next step. Make sure every connection is secure before moving on. Cut the bottom off a plastic bottle to make a small container. Place the linked copper wires inside. Also place the positive soldering wire into the container, keeping it separated from the copper bundle. Secure everything with regular tape so nothing moves. Now pour in some clean tap water. Add a spoonful of salt and stir until it dissolves. Next, connect your 12-volt adapter to the connector. Plug the adapter into the power outlet. Almost immediately, you'll notice tiny bubbles forming. That's the reaction beginning to remove oxidation from the copper surface. Leave it running for about 5 minutes. Then unplug the adapter first before touching anything. Disconnect all the wires. Take out the copper bundle and look at the difference. The copper is now much cleaner and brighter. Now grab your old soldering iron. Use a screwdriver to remove the worn-out soldering tip. Install your newly modified copper tip. Tighten the screws securely. Plug the soldering iron into the power outlet and wait for it to heat up. Moment of truth. Touch the solder wire to the new tip. Look at that. The solder melts instantly, and this time, it coats the tip perfectly. No more solder rolling off. The tip is clean, responsive, and ready for smooth soldering. Amazing what a few pieces of scrap copper can do. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more genius DIY inventions using scrap materials. And one more thing before you go. Tell me in the comments, what country are you watching from? I'd love to see viewers from all around the world, and your comment might even appear in my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next DIY project.